What is bird migration? Everyone knows that migration is the movement of animals from one place to another, but what really is bird migration? Let's dive in. As a starter, spring migration starts as early as mid-February and continues into early June. The migration season starts with shorebirds, sparrows, meadowlarks, kestrels, hummingbirds, swallows, swifts, martins, and is followed by most songbirds soon after. The amount of migrants reaches its peak in April to May in most of the country, but could depend slightly on your location. Migration is an amazing feat for many birds, so why even bother doing it? If the south is so warm, why even return north to nest? Well, there are many possible reasons for this behavior. Firstly, the migration pathways are set around ancient waterways and different weather patterns that disappeared eons ago. One of the most popular reasons for migration is the fact that all the migratory birds are insectivorous and move south to skip the almost insect-free winter. Finally, migratory birds do not stay south year-round because of competition with native species, which makes it harder to raise chicks and feed themselves. To tie up this video, it's worth asking the question, how do birds migrate and successfully navigate and not stray from their route? This also is a very mysterious, controversial topic, with various theories saying that birds can feel Earth's magnetic fields, use landmarks, the sun, moon, and stars to navigate. But no matter the way they navigate, there are still many dangers on their ways. Hawks, bad weather, hunger, the list goes on and on. But we can make a difference by providing bird havens that we and birds can enjoy. Thanks for watching this Mule Nature Lover video. Please subscribe and like for more amazing content about our complicated world of birds and nature.